Hey everybody, thanks a lot for chiming in tonight. I guarantee your time won't be wasted. I know that everybody has things to do. I've got things to do, but I wanted to have you come by today and listen to about a 20-minute presentation on the direction of where Forex and futures is heading. If you don't know who I am, my name's Steve DeWitt. Before we get going with tonight's information, I want you to know that I'm broadcasting from my home office. So if you hear a doorbell ring or maybe a dog bark, you will know why. Over the past 16 years, I've taught over 15,000 individuals just like you on how to trade for their own personal profits. And tonight, I'm going to share with you exactly how I can help you do that as well. Now, before we get going, I want to know something. I want to know how many people out there are truly wanting to be a better trader. How many people out there really want to be a better trader? Go ahead and type your answer in the chat box if you would. I want to know, are you here just to be here and waste time? Or in fact, do you want to be the best trader you can be? Tonight, we are going to go over who I am. We're going to only spend a couple of minutes on that. It's not as important as the information. We're going to talk about how we trade every day for profit. We're going to talk about the trading membership, what you receive. And yes, I'm going to sell you. Actually, I'm not going to sell you. I'm not going to do a hard sale, but I'm going to tell you what the membership of your trading day is going to cost, okay? First, let's talk about a little bit about who I am and where I'm from and all that good stuff. I was born and raised in San Francisco, where I spent about 40 years of my life. Good old San Francisco. I miss it much. I live in actually Chicago now. Back in when I was a kid, 68, 69, right in there, I was a baseball card collector. People laugh at that, but that's actually how I started trading baseball cards. In 1974, I moved up to paper trading. Me and my dad would get out the Wall Street Journal and go through stocks, and he would teach me a little bit about trading. That was very cool. In 1986, got involved with trading stocks and commodities. And then I finally found my home in 2000, where I started trading the foreign exchange market and the futures market. Now, since 2000, there's been a lot of things that have happened in my life. I've won 16 international trading contests. I've won the largest and second largest Forex trading contest ever. I've also had many articles published in trading magazines. I've also run a trading room since 2004. And if you can see, people wrote in here on one of our last meetings exactly how they're doing and how they like the trading room. I use this as my testimonials. I don't put up pictures and people's emails, though I have probably 600-700 testimonials. I like doing the live chat room look here so you can see from real people how they are actually doing in our trading room. Now I want to go into a little detail about how we trade for profit, how we actually trade for profit. Now, we've been told over the years that there's secret ways to trade for success, secret ways, that there's private and underground trading systems that you have to trade for profit. You might have heard that there's secret or magical indicators out there that a slick salesperson will try to sell you that will help your trading, maybe even never take another loss in your trading. You've probably heard it mentioned many, many times that this is the holy grail of trading, right? Somebody trying to sell you, again, trying to sell you software. Well, I'm here to tell you that it's all a big scam. It's a big scam. Okay? There is no underground trading systems that someone found in some bat infested cave in Paraguay. Okay? It doesn't exist. There's no magical indicators that are going to make you a better trader. There is no holy grail. Okay? There is no holy grail. I want you to know that up front. Now, I get asked these questions all the time. Steve, can you teach me your winning system? May I have access to your indicators? And what's your secret behind successful trading? So I want to go through these. Okay, first, let's talk about, can I teach you my winning system? Okay. Answer is yes, absolutely. My system is extremely easy. Anybody can learn it, and anybody can be profitable with it. It's, again, extremely easy. May you have access to the indicators I use. Yes, I'm going to give you my indicators for free. These guys out there, they find indicators on the internet, and then they change their colors, they change their name, and then they put them in a little red ribbon bow, and they sell them for $2,000, $3,000, $5,000. Incredible. Okay? The indicators I use, they're free on the internet. Why am I going to charge you for that? I'm not. I'm going to give them to you. You are going to receive my indicators for free. And then finally, what's the secret to successful trading? Well, let's go ahead and get in that a little bit right now. The secret to successful trading is there is no secret. It's not something that's external. You can't download it. You can't buy it. The secret to successful trading is all internal. Okay? It is an internal situation. And I'm going to go through 3 rules or 3 laws of trading right now that you really need to listen to, because these 3 rules will set your trading free. So here we go. I want you to know that this new system you're going to be learning, this profitable system, is the beginning. Tonight is the beginning of your trading career. You need to understand that. You need to be committed to it. Tonight is the beginning of your trading career. Okay? And actually, it should take a heavy weight off your shoulders to know that you're actually going to be beginning your new career tonight. It's actually kind of exciting. Listen, I know. You've heard it all before. You've been chasing the dream of becoming a consistently profitable trader. You've been chasing that dream. Well, I've got great news for you. You will become the trader you want to be, starting right now. If you can just follow these 3 essential rules that I'm going to teach you right now. And the first rule is never, ever allow large losses. From this day forward, starting right now, you will always close a losing trade before it becomes a monster loss. Now, we've all heard this before, right? Cut off your losses early and let your winners run. This is what we do every day in my live trading room. The main reason why traders fail is because they do not follow this one simple first rule. See, here's the problem. We're humans. We hate to lose. We hate to lose. Now let me ask you another question. How many of you, and you don't have to type your answer in the box, I don't want to embarrass you. How many of you in the past have hoped and maybe even prayed that a losing trade would turn around and go back in your favor? How many of you have done that? Think about it for a second. How many of you have actually moved your stop loss to give your trade, quote unquote, more room? actually placing yourself in greater risk just to find out you get stopped out anyway, right? The trade moves against you. You get stopped out anyway with a much bigger loss. And here's the really big in-your-face question. How many of you have taken your stop loss off completely and then the trade wipes out your account? I chuckled for a second. It's not really that funny, but we've all been there. I've been there. Shoot, that's why I can talk about it. Okay? Never again. I've learned this rule. And if you can't learn this one rule, you're going to struggle all your trading career. Look, it's easy to hold on to losing trades. We've all done it. Admit it to yourself. Shake your head up and down. I can't see you at your desk right now, but we've all done it. It is actually difficult to hate losing so much that you cut those losing trades off early because, again, we're human. We don't like to lose. But as of tonight, I'm going to be your trading coach. I want you to remember this one thing. It's very easy to come back from a small loss. We have losses. We have small losses. Very easy to come back from. It is extremely difficult to come back from a monster loss. Now, I'm not telling you anything you don't already know, but you need to start practicing it. Large losses will not only hit you financially, but worse, they're going to destroy your trading confidence, put you way behind the game. So let's do this. Let's make a pact together, starting today, starting right now, before we start trading tomorrow. Your first rule of trading is you no longer take monster losses. Do we have a deal? Are you with me on this? It's extremely important. You got to follow the rules. Can you follow the rules? Rule number 2, keep banking profits. Listen, if I'm going to teach you my trading strategy, you need to learn this rule. I have an exercise for you. You ready? I have an exercise. If you have a piece of paper and a pencil or something, get it out. I want you to come up with a number, a dollar amount. A dollar amount that you think is reasonable for you to reach each trading day. Go ahead, think about it. Write it down. Is it 200 bucks? Maybe it's 500 bucks. What is that number? Go ahead, write it down. What is your number? Now, once you have that specific number in place, the goal is to average that number each trading day. Sometimes you'll be short. Sometimes you'll be over. We want to average that number each day. And then all we need to do is keep on doing it by following the rules, following the system I'm going to teach you. Listen up. Your job tonight, your job since starting your new trading career is to collect profits in your trading account and accumulate those profits so you can compound your trading into something gigantic. What I'm telling you to do here is to find that amount. If you need help, I can coach you through it. I can help you find that daily goal. And then all we do is rinse and repeat. We just do it over and over again. And again, if you need help, I'm here for you. I will coach you. Okay? And my coaching's free. I don't charge anything for coaching. That's ridiculous. I want to help you be a better trader. Listen to me. I have literally changed traders' lives, turning them completely around with this second rule. And get this, it's actually really simple. We just keep on banking profits. Guys, I'm going to teach you how to do this. And get this, trading this way is absolutely liberating. You know you can make money trading. Why aren't you yet? We just keep on banking profits. The second rule is what successful traders do. Bank profits and then stop trading for the day. Stop trading for the day, and that brings us to our third rule. When I hit my profit target for the day, I'm done trading for the day. I don't trade just to trade, and neither should you. The secret to becoming a great trader has everything to do with not trading. You got to stop. Stop taking more trades. Stop it. How many people here have overtraded? Raise your hand right now if you've ever overtraded. My hand is high in the sky. I guarantee you that most of you, if not all of you, overtrade. You need to control yourself. You need to control your anxiety, control your impulsiveness. We love to trade. It's fun. It's addicting. We need to control it. When you hit your target for the day, you're going to walk away and go do something else. Find something else to be addicted to. It's almost funny, right? But it's so true. Go do something else. Okay? Rule number 3, stop over trading. And you'll hear me time and time again in our live trading room to take your hand off the mouse. Bank your profits. Stop trading. Okay? Now let's talk a little bit about systems. Trading systems. There's a bunch of systems out there. And I'll tell you, most of them are for very experienced traders. They don't tell you that. Okay? There's systems out there that will tell you to risk 66 ticks to earn 16. Risk 66 ticks to earn 16. That means that you have to win 81% of the time to break even. Are you crazy? And you got to pay for the software. Software out there goes from $500 to, I've seen software as much as 10 grand, right? Our system, everyone can be profitable with it. I will teach you. We look for a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio, meaning if we're going to risk 30 ticks, we want 60 in return. That way we only have to win 34% of the time to break even. And actually we are 75% traders, meaning we win 75% of the time. And our software package, it's not a software package, our indicator package is free. I give it to you. I give it to all members. How huge is that? Sorry about that. Let's talk about your trading membership and what you receive with your trading day. Okay, let's go into some details here. First of all, you need to understand that we trade both Forex and futures. Forex and futures, okay? Not at the same time. Some of them kind of lap over once in a while, but we trade Forex and futures. So if you just like futures, we got it. If you just like Forex, we got it. If you like both, you're set. If you want to learn one or the other, I'm going to teach it to you. Okay? Here's a picture of our morning trading room, our live trading room. We go live every morning, Monday through Friday. I open the doors at 6:45 a.m. Eastern Time, and we start trading at 7. We start off by looking at the Forex marketing pair, Forex currency pairs, the DAX futures, and the 6B markets. Okay, that would be the Great British Pound. At 8:30, we start looking at gold. We can trade gold earlier, but we start really looking at it at 8:30. Oil at 9 o'clock. We can look at oil earlier too. We start looking seriously at oil at 9 o'clock. Then about 9:30, 9:45, we will start looking at the NASDAQ, the Russell, the Dow, soybeans, natural gas. Okay, and we trade until about 12 noon Eastern every day, Monday through Friday. What we do in the room is I break down each instrument from top to bottom. And I come up with a trading game plan for the day, and I show you exactly how to do that. We come up with entry points, stop losses, and targets before the trades happen to give you time to look at them, to paper trade. Okay? I give you the trades before they happen. All right? Here's our latest results of me trading. July, just over 1,500 ticks. August, just over 1,400 ticks. September, over 1,500 ticks again. October, we only trade 4 days so far. I took some time off. 4 days so far in October. 359 ticks for 1 week of trading. Not too shabby, right? Not too bad. If you cannot make it to the live room, that's okay. I'm going to send you an email of our trading game plan for the day, both with Forex and futures. The trading game plan is going to tell you what instruments we're looking to trade with, again, entry points, stop losses, and multiple targets. So you don't have to go into the live room if you can't make it. I'm going to send you the information. Okay, I will also post the information in your members area. Okay? Let's talk about evening trading, our live trading every night. We trade every night, Monday through Thursday. We don't trade Friday nights. Monday through Thursday, we get together at 5 p.m. Eastern Time. We go over the Forex currency pairs. We're looking for longer term trades. This is perfect for somebody who works. Perfect for somebody who can't be in front of their computer and day trade. These are longer term trades. We look at the daily charts and the 4-hour charts. These are great for people that just want to play some trades and evaluate their trades. These trades can last 6 hours, 12 hours, 2 days. We've had them last as long as 3 weeks. Those are some powerful trades when they go that long. Again, we get together every night, Monday through Thursday, and we trade the Forex market long-term trades. Again, if you cannot make it, that is okay. I'm going to send you our overnight trading game plan, our overnight Forex trading game plan. And again, it's going to give you entry points, stop losses, and multiple targets on the pairs we are looking to trade. Okay, this is huge. Can't make it to the live workshop, check your email box. There's going to be a little present in there for you Monday through Thursday. Okay? Tuesday and Thursday evenings. 9 o'clock Eastern Time. We will have training, and then more training. I'm going to teach you my quad system, which you're going to get a peek at tonight. I'm going to teach you my arrow system. We're going to get into your brain and talk about discipline and fear and revenge trading and over trading and all that stuff. You'll be able to get your questions answered in real time. Every Tuesday and Thursday night, 9 p.m. Eastern Time. We'll go for as long as we need to go. Sometimes it might be 45 minutes. Sometimes it'll be 2 hours. It depends on who's there and who has questions, okay? This is the perfect chance to kick back and talk about trading, okay? And remember, there's no software to buy. There's no setup fees. I'm going to give you the indicators I use at no charge. So there you go. Now, in a little bit here, I'm actually going to show you, matter of fact, we can do it right now. Let me show you, type in the box. I'm going to show you a chart. You tell me what chart to show you guys. Type in the chat box what chart you want to see, and I will pull it up live right now. I see gold, I see oil, I see the ES, more oil, I see gold again, natural gas, oil, somebody said. That's what we talk about in the room, oil. Let's pull up an oil chart. It's one of the most popular things to trade. It's one of the most popular instruments to trade. I love trading oil. I think it's probably my favorite. So what we do is this a 30-minute chart? Yeah, this is a 30-minute chart. So what we do is, the first thing we want to understand is, what is the trend? What is the trend? So I can quickly draw a trend channel from top to bottom, stretch this out a little bit, make sure it lines up good, and I have a trending channel. Now, I'm not going to go into specific training tonight, but each channel like this has 4 sections to it. And in a downward channel, let me take a snapshot of this. Hold on a second. Let me take a snapshot of this. Here it is. Let me blow it up for you. So in a downward channel like this, you see it's downward. Let me point it out to you. You see this? We are going down, aren't we? Okay. When we're in a downward channel, we want to sell up here in quad 1, where we're at right now, actually. Okay. We want to sell in quad 1. It's a perfect world when we're up there, and we want to sell when we're up in quad 1. Okay. So let's go to, this is a 30-minute chart. Let me pull up and take a snapshot of our day trading chart. Here we go. Hold on. All right. Here we go. Right on. This is oil again. This is oil. And we could have got, I'm not going to say we would have got in trade. I don't like when traders say that. Oh, we would have got in here. But listen, we absolutely could have got in on this bar right here, okay, and sold oil. All right? That would have been extremely easy for us to do. Then oil came back up to the 50 moving average, okay? That gave me the opportunity to sell again, okay? It fell down, enough to grab 10, 15 ticks out of it, ran back up against it, hit the 50 moving average again. Look at that. Hold on a second. Whoops. Here we go. Hit the 50 moving average again, and what did it do? See you later, Loretta. It fell. Then it ran up again and hit the 50 moving average, didn't it? Boom. And then it was like rock and roll hoochie coo. See you later, Loretta, we say on these big runners. Okay? So these big runners are like, let me see, like 60 ticks, 50 ticks, right? One contract that's $500. How would that do for you? This is what we do in our trading room, folks. We go over these charts all the time and come up with the best possible scenarios. So check this out. 30 days from now, you no longer will be taking large losses. Will you have losses? Of course you will. It's a part of trading. But you're not going to take monster losses anymore. You're going to actually be making money. You're actually going to be putting profits into your trading account. That's what you wanted to do in the first place. But you keep on adding money to your trading account. That's not what's supposed to happen here. We're supposed to grow our trading account and then scale it up. I'm going to talk about that in a minute. And there will be no over trading, folks. Okay? We come back and trade tomorrow. We do not over trade. So this is what we do. We focus on my strategy because it's simple. And I can show you very easily how to trade it. We control our losses. We bank our profits. We don't overtrade anymore. And this is the fun part. We start scaling up. Meaning this, as our account balance grows, we can start to trade more contracts. I showed you this here. Let me pull this up again. Do I still have it? Yeah, right here. So this last trade over here was about $500 for one contract. In 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, you're going to be able to trade 2, 3, 4 contracts. 4 contracts, $2,000. How's that for a day? You're on your way to being a millionaire. Yes, I said it. This is huge, folks. So before I show you what all this costs, let's sum this up. You've got to despise losing so much that you're ready to do something different and get with somebody who can actually teach you how to trade for profit. You need to start winning. Start building your confidence. Start putting money in your trading account. And then we scale up. We start trading more contracts. It's simple, folks. And I'm behind you 100% of the way. You have full access to me by phone, by Skype, by email. I am here for you like 18 hours a day. Trading, trading, trading. It's my life. It's my passion. I love it. So let's talk about pricing. I told you I was going to tell you about pricing. We launch, listen to me, we launch on October 31st, next Monday. We launch. Okay? We launch your trading day. And I'm going to show you what the prices are going to be at launch. Here they are. Monthly, $149 a month. Somebody can go quarterly, save $100 for $347. Somebody wants to go to a semi-annual membership. It's going to be $549, saving them over $300. If someone wants to go to an annual membership, it's $997. That saves them almost $800. And there's a lifetime membership. Lifetime membership, $1,500. Okay? Lifetime membership also gets you front row seats to any live events we do. We'll be doing live events each quarter. Front row seats. And also one-on-one coaching from me. We set up a time. We sit down. We go over who you are, what you're trying to do with your trading, and we set goals together. And then we talk every week about those goals to make sure you're hitting them. Lifetime membership, $14.97. That's what it's going to cost as of next Monday, Halloween, October 31st. Okay? This is what it will cost you for the next week if you get involved. The monthly rate will be $99. $99 a month. You can't beat that with a stick. If you want to go quarterly and save some money, $237. Semi-annual, that's every 6 months, $379. You want to go annual? $599. That's $50 a month if you pay annually. $50 a month. Are you kidding me? And if you want to go lifetime in the next week, one-time payment, $959. Never make another payment again. Front row seats at live events. One-on-one coaching from me. $959? Serious. That's some serious business. Now, this is what you need to do sometime this week, because Sunday, October 30th at midnight Eastern Time, this goes away and you won't have another chance. This is it. You need to Skype me. You can look me up. My Skype name is Steve DeWitt 22. You can Skype me. Write all this stuff down, guys. Get out a piece of paper and write this down right now, or take a snapshot of it. Skype me, Steve DeWitt 22. My email address is steve@yourtradingday.com. Office phone number, 815-489-3054. And my cell phone for calling me or texting me is 815-412-5969. If I do not pick up, leave a message and I will get back to you. But I pick up my phone anytime it rings. I don't hide. I'm here for you. Now, you can Skype me, email me, call my office phone and leave it on my machine, or text me your credit card number. your expiration date on the card, of course, the name on the card, the level of membership you want, and your email address. Please speak slowly if you're leaving me a message. If you want to talk on the phone to enroll, we can do that too. Just Skype me or email me, give me your phone number, and I will call you back. Or we'll set up a Skype time or something, okay? I really, really appreciate you guys coming out tonight. I told you I was going to try to keep it to 30 minutes. It's been 37 minutes, so I apologize for keeping you guys too long. I'm going to do these webinars. I'm going to do another one tomorrow. It's going to be earlier because of the World Series. So tomorrow and Wednesday, they will be earlier. Thursday, I will probably do one later like tonight. And then I'll do one more Sunday night. And then the pricing and everything changes, okay, for our kickoff. So if you want to get involved at a great price, contact me right away, okay? 99 bucks a month for a monthly membership is crazy, okay? You guys have a great evening. I appreciate you guys taking the time to come out tonight. I look forward to trading with you starting next Monday. Take care. Have a great evening, and I'll talk to you guys a little bit later on.